Good morning, students. The next topic of the chapter, surface area and volume, is conversion of the solid from one shape to another. If a solid is converted from one shape to another, their volumes will be equal. Their volumes will be equal. But surface area will not be equal. Surface area their volumes will be equal, but surface area will not be equal. Surface area may increase or decrease depending on the shape in which solid is converting. दो एक सॉलिड को चेंज करके मेल्ट करके दूसरा सॉलिड बनाते हैं, उन दोनों का वॉल्यूम इक्वल होते हैं. सरफेस एरिया इक्वल होना कोई जरूरी नहीं है, इक्वल होगा नहीं, वो इंक्रीज भी हो सकते हैं, डिक्रीज भी हो सकते हैं. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द शेप इन विच वी आर कन्वर्टिंग द सॉलिड. Now let us start exercise 13.3. All the solved examples of before exercise 13.3 you have to do by yourself. There are 4 solved examples. Every solved example should be done. I am reading first question. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. This is question number. Let me a bit. Exercise 13.3, question number 13.3, question number 1. In the question it is given that sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter. Let R be the radius of sphere. R of the sphere is given as 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter. That you are given, and this sphere is melted and recast in the shape of cylinder. इसको मेल्ट करके सिलेंडर बनाया है. The radius of the cylinder is 6. You are asked to find height of the cylinder. R of, let us take capital R because small r we already have taken. R of the cylinder is equal to 6 centimeter. Let the height of the cylinder, let the height of the cylinder be h. Cylinder B capital H. You are given that the sphere of radius 4 centimeter is melted and recast in the shape of cylinder. That means given that volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Why? Because sphere is melted and recasted in the form of cylinder. And volume of cylinder is pi capital R square capital H, because we have assumed radius is capital R, height is capital H, and volume of sphere is 4/3 pi small r cube, because we assumed that the radius of sphere is small r. Both pi are getting cancelled. R is given as 6 centimeter whole square into H is equal to, this is pi is getting cancelled, 4/3 into r cube. R cube is radius of the sphere that you are given as, let me check, 4.2 centimeter. That is into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 r cube. Therefore, height of the cylinder H is equal to 4/3 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 upon 6 into 6. If you cancel it, I will not give all the steps. 4/3, if you change this 42 upon 10, then it will be 21/5. That you can do by yourself. I am not doing anything. The answer will be, I will just write the answer, that is H is equal to 2.74 centimeter. 2.74 centimeter, because all are given in same unit centimeter. अब इसका कैंसिलेशन आपको करना है. 4.2 को कैंसिल करना 21/5, 21/5, 21/5, and pi is get cancelled, and that is 4/3 into 21/5 into 21/5 into 21/5 upon 6 into 6 equal to H. That is 2.74 centimeter. The simplification step you should be done by yourself. That is your homework. That is, next question is you can do by yourself. Simplification का पार्ट आप खुद करेंगे. I will not do. Metallic spheres of radius, question number 2 I am reading. 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single sphere of solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. You are given that there are 3 metallic spheres of radius. First sphere has radius r1 is equal to 6 centimeter, and second sphere's radius is r2 is equal to 8 centimeter, and r3 is third sphere's radius, that is 10 centimeter. These three spheres are melted. इन दो तीनों को मेल्ट करके एक बड़ा स्फीयर बना लिया. आपसे पूछा उसका रेडियस बताइए, तो ये तीनों स्फीयर का रेडियस का सम इज इक्वल टू रेडियस ऑफ द बिगर फिगर. लेट r be the radius, capital R, because we have already taken small r be the radius of the resulting resulting sphere, of the resulting sphere. That means, therefore, given that, yeah, as per question, 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is volume of the new sphere, is equal to sum of the volume of the given spheres, 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube. You can take 4 by 3 pi common from the right side. 4 by 3 into r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube. 4 by 3 pi is cancelled, implies r cube is equal to r1 is 6 centimeter whole cube plus r2 is 8 centimeter whole cube plus r3 is 10 centimeter whole cube. That is 6 cube is 216 centimeter cube plus 500 and, let me check, 512 centimeter cube. 8 cube is 112 plus 1000 cm cube. If you add these three, 216 plus 512 plus 1000 is equal to 1728 cm cube. 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 2 7 1. Now therefore r is equal to 1728 is the cube of I think 12, that is 12 cm. R cube equal to 12 cm whole cube. By taking cube root, you will get r is equal to 12 cm. That is, the radius of the resulting sphere is 12 centimeter. That is the question number 2. Next question is, let me read the question. A 20 meter deep well with a diameter 7 meter is dug, and earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. There is a well, and the height of depth of the well is given as 20 meter, and diameter is 7 meter, and length and breadth of platform are 22 meter and 14 meter. That is, all are in the same unit, no need of conversion. एक कुआं है, कुआं की हाइट और ब्रेड रेडियस आपको दे रखा है, उसमें से मिट्टी खोद करके कहीं प्लेटफॉर्म बना रहे हैं जिसका लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ आपको दे रखा है, हाइट निकालना है. तो since length and breadth are given, platform is in the shape of cuboid. You know the volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Volume of earth dugout is, since well is in the shape of cylinder, volume of earth dugout is pi r square H. If you equate both, you can find the height of platform. Now let us start. H of, question number 3. H of well, H means height. H of well is equal to 20 meter, and R of well, radius of well, you are given diameter is 7, so R is 7 by 2 meter. Now volume of the earth, earth means mitti, volume of the earth, the volume of the earth, let me check once more, earth taken out from the, या dug out, volume of the earth dug out, खोद कर निकाला, is equal to volume of well, that is equal to volume of cylinder. Now that is, volume of cylinder is pi r square H, pi into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20 meter cube. This is equation number 1. Now second is, let the height of the platform, be capital H, because we already took small h for well. Let the height of the platform be capital H. Platform be capital H. For volume of platform, volume of the platform with earth, volume of the platform with earth, मिट्टी के साथ, platform with earth is equal to L into B into H, that is L into B into capital H. L is given as let me take 22 meter into B is 14 meter into H. But you know that the volume of the earth dug out is same as volume of the platform with earth. That is as per question, that is according to question, equation 1 is equal to equation 2. That implies we will take this left side because we can write the value of H directly. So that equation 2 equal to equation 1 लिखते हैं, दोनों एक ही बात है. 22 meter into 14 meter into capital H is equal to pi into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20 meter cube. Now you have to solve this. The mensuration solving part is little bit complicated. Now solving this you will get that is H is equal to pi is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20. 1 meter cube and meter square are getting cancelled upon 22 into 40. Now what is getting cancelled? This is getting cancelled, this is getting cancelled, and this is getting cancelled, and this is the now what is remaining? 11 will go 2 times, 7 will go 2 times, that is 10 by 4. H is 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is same as, let us take 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8 point, 2 point, let me check the answer, 2.5 meter. Unit is meter because you are given everything in meter, but in the book the answer is your centimeter. Correct it is meter. That is height of the platform is 2.5 meter. And in each question you must be clear that we are equating the volume since one shape is converting to another shape. Next question is question number 4. A well of, again the question based on well, a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. There is a well and the diameter of the well is given as 3 meter. Therefore, radius R of the well is 3 by 2 meter. And H of the well is you are given as 40 meter. Everything is given in meter. And what is H is given as 14 meter. Deep means depth height. Now what is the meaning of the question? एक कुआं खोदा जिसका डायमीटर रेडियस 3 by 2 मीटर है और डेप्थ 14 मीटर है, उसको खोद करके कुएं के चारों तरफ एम्बैंकमेंट बना लिया. तो जो कुएं के चारों तरफ आप देखोगे तो आपको एक सर्कुलर पाइप जैसे दिखेगा, लाइक दिस. आई एम ड्रॉइंग इन ए टिल्टेड वे. अब इसको आप देखोगे साइड में से तो कुएं के ऊपर से देखेंगे तो एक पाइप जैसे दिखेगा. पाइप हैज outer surface, inner surface. Let me draw properly. It will be little bit big so that you can easily understand. This is the, इसके ऊपर का शेप ऐसा सर्कुलर रिंग होगा, सर्कुलर रिंग ऑफ द सेम विड्थ होगा. तो इनर रेडियस को हम R लेते हैं, आउटर रेडियस को कैपिटल R लेते हैं. तो कैपिटल R इज, इफ दिस इज द विड्थ, capital R is equal to inner radius plus width होता है. Now what is the volume of the pipe? Volume of pipe is volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. That is pi R square H. Height will be same minus pi R square H. If you take pi H common, you will get R square minus R square. The embankment is in the form of a circular pipe. Pipe means hollow cylinder. Now what is the volume of the earth? The volume of the earth taken out. Let me check. Let me clear about the sentence given in the question. Volume of the earth taken out. Volume of the earth taken out is equal to volume of well, that is pi R square H, that is pi into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into H is 14 meter cube. Let it be equation number 1. Now let H, capital H, small h already we have taken. Let h be the height of the embankment, that you are asked to prove height of the embankment. Height of the embankment. Now, as I told you, embankment is in the shape of hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means pipe होता है, उसका एरिया वॉल्यूम निकालने का फॉर्मूला पता है, पाई एच इंटू कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर माइनस स्मॉल आर स्क्वायर. R of the inner radius, small r means inner radius of the embankment, inner radius R of the embankment. You have to write this statement properly. Is that you are given as embankment is given as what is inner radius that you are given. You are given around shape of with width you are given inner radius of the embankment. कुएं का रेडियस और embankment का रेडियस अंदर का सेम रहेगा, नहीं तो वो अंदर से कुआं दिखेगा नहीं. That is R of well, that you are given 3/2 meter. Now width you are given as 4 meter. Therefore outer radius capital R of the embankment of the, I am not writing the full statement, you have to write by yourself. It is equal to 3/2 plus 4, that is 11/2 meter. Now equation 1 we want that is volume of the embankment. Volume of the embankment is equal to volume of pipe, that is this formula you should know, that is pi h into capital R square minus pi h into capital R square minus small r square. Here we have assumed the height as h, so it becomes capital H. That is pi h into R square is capital R is 11/2 whole square. We will write the unit afterwards, minus 3/2 whole square. Now here you can apply the formula, that is a plus b, a minus b. What you will get? Let me rub it. This equation we want, that is equal to pi into h into 11/2 plus a plus b into a minus b into 11/2 minus 3/2. A is 11/2, b is 3/2. That is pi h into, this is 11 plus 3 14, 7 into 11 minus 3 8, 8/2 4. That is what you are getting. Let me check. That is we have to find the height. Let it be as it is. If you want, you can write this as 28 pi h meter cube. But this is equation number 2. As per question, equation 2 पहले 2 लिखते हैं because we want h. Equation 2 equal to equation 1 implies 28 pi h meter cube is equal to pi into 3/2 into 3/2 into 14 meter cube. Meter cube are getting cancelled, pi is getting cancelled. You will get this as, let me check, if you change this you will get this as h of the embankment is equal to 3/2 into 3/2 into 40/28. This is getting cancelled 2 times and you will get the value is 9/2. 3 3s are 9/8. If you solve this you will get as 1.125 meter. 1.125 meter. तो इस तरह की क्वेश्चन में वॉल्यूम इक्वेट करते वक्त पाई कॉमन आ रहा है, पाई का वैल्यू नहीं पुट करना, वो सीधे कैंसिल हो जाएगा. These two questions are very important. Question number 3 and 4 both are based on well. Next question is question number 5. A container shaped like right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter having hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with the ice cream. There is a container which is in the shape of a cylinder with a diameter 12 and height 15 centimeter that is full of ice cream and it is converting into cones with hemispherical shape. एक सिलेंडर में आइसक्रीम भरा हुआ है, उसको कोन्स में चेंज कर रहे हैं. कोन्स के ऊपर ऐसे आइसक्रीम लगाएंगे तो सेमी ऐसे आएगा, जैसे ये कोन है, कोन के ऊपर तक लगाते हैं तो हेमिस्फीयर के शेप में आ जाएगा. तो कितने कोन्स में सारे ये भरा कितने पॉन्ड्स के अंदर ये पूरा आ जाएगा. दैट मीन्स n इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन कॉन. नंबर ऑफ कॉन्स को हम n एज्यूम करेंगे. n इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन कॉन इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ द आइसक्रीम इन द cylindrical container. Now for cylinder, first of all take question number 5. First of all take question for cylinder. Let's just take the case of cylinder. Cylinder में क्या क्या आपको दे रखा है? R of I am taking a capital R and capital H. R of cylinder, that is radius of cylinder is diameter given is 12, that is 6 centimeter, and H of cylinder same चीज आ रही तो आप ऐसा कॉमा डाल सकते हैं. H is given as 15 centimeter. Therefore volume of ice cream let me check. Ice cream in the cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is pi capital R square capital H, that is pi into 6 centimeter whole square into h. That is be case number 1. Now for cone with hemisphere top, ऊपर hemisphere top है, that is second case. Now R of cone is equal to R of hemisphere. Both are same because आप ऐसे कौन के अंदर ये भरेंगे तो दोनों का रेडियस सेम है तो वो अंदर चला जाएगा या बाहर चला जाएगा. R of hemisphere is equal to given as how much that you are given. The height 12 and diameter 6, that is 3 centimeter. H of cone is equal to you are given as 12 centimeter. And see all the units are same, so no need of conversion. Now volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone with hemisphere, you have to take both. With spherical top is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. You can take 1 by 3 pi r square कॉमन. मैंने कहा था जब इक्वेशन सोल्व करो तो सोल्व करके आगे बढ़ना है. h plus 1 by 3 pi r square, that is 2r. Now if you put the value, what you will get? अगर आप अब इसमें वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, you will get 1 by 3 into pi will be get cancelled. That so that let it be as it is. 1 by 3 pi into what is r. R आपको क्या दे रखा है? 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter and h is 12 plus 2 into 3 centimeter cube, that is 1 by 3 pi into 9 into 12 plus 6, that is 18. You cancel it, you will get 54 pi cm cube. Let the number of cones be. Number of cones required. Ice cream cones, if you want to write, you can write ice cream cones required, B n. Now as per question के हिसाब से क्या आएगा? Given that n into volume of one cone with hemispherical top is 54 pi cm cube is equal to, here that you are getting is h of the cylinder. What is height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is given as 15, so that we can change equation 1 as volume of the cylinder is 1 pi into 6 centimeter square into h, means pi into 6 centimeter square into h. You are given as let me check what is the height of the cylinder, that is 15. Now that is equal to pi into 36 into 15 centimeter cube. Pi is getting cancelled, implies n is equal to 36 into 15 upon 54. Let me check. If you 36 into 15 upon 54, if you change it by 2, cut it by 2, 8 are 36, this is 3, this is again cancelling 5, the answer is 10 cones. Let us check the answer. Answer is 10 cones. Question number 6 that you can do by yourself, that is homework. Question number 6 में एक सिल्वर कॉइन दे रखा है, उसको क्यूबॉइड में से बना रहे, कितने बना सकते हैं, दोनों का वॉल्यूम आपको कंपेयर करना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 and all the questions 7, 8, 9 both all are 7, 8, 9 all are important. Question number 7 I am reading. The question is, a cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter high with radius of the base 18 centimeter is filled with sand. The bucket is emptied on the ground with a conical heap of sand and a conical heap of sand is formed. The height of the conical heap is 24. Find the radius and slant height of the heap. There is a cylindrical bucket. बकेट है सिलेंड्रिकल के सिलेंडर में शेप में, इसमें सैंड भर रखा है. सैंड को ग्राउंड में डाल रहे तो ऐसा कोन के शेप में बन रहा है. तो इस कोन की हाइट दे रखा है, आपको रेडियस ऑफ द कोन एंड स्लैंट हाइट पूछा गया. तो लेट फॉर सिलेंडर आर ऑफ सिलेंडर कैपिटल लेते, आर ऑफ सिलेंडर इज गिवन इज व्हाट, आर ऑफ सिलेंडर इज गिवन एज 18 centimeter and H of cylinder is you are given as 32 centimeter. Therefore, volume of sand in the cylinder, volume of sand in the cylinder is equal to, formula is pi r square h, pi capital R square h, that is pi into 18 centimeter whole square into h is 32 centimeter. मैंने कहा जब पाई आएगा कैंसिल होगा, उसको वैल्यू पुट करना ही नहीं. And this is converting into and conical heap of height. Height is small h. H of cone, conical heap of height is h of cone is given as 24 centimeter. And let radius of the cone be small r. Cone be small r. Therefore, volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is 1 by 3 pi r square. We have to find h is 24. That is equation number 2. You know that both are same because this equation 1 shows the volume of the sand in the container, equation 2 shows the volume of the sand that is converted in the form of cone. 1 equal to 2 gives, we will write 2 equal to 1 because we want r. 2 equal to 1 gives 1 by 3 pi into r square into 24 is equal to pi into 18 cm square. All are in same unit. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, यूनिट सेम है कि नहीं. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2, थोड़ा ऊपर लिख देते हैं. 32 cm सेम यूनिट है कि नहीं आपको कंफर्म करना, नहीं तो आपकी क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा. दैट मीन्स you have to find r square. Pi is getting cancelled, implies r square is equal to 18 into 32 upon into 3 upon 24. Let me check. That means अब इसको स्क्वायर रूट भी लेना पड़ेगा, तो इसको एक सिंपल फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. 18 and 18 2 times are coming, तो उसको चेंज नहीं करते. It is r square. Implies लिखना है. This is 7 question. Implies 18 into 18. If you take the square root, 118 will come. In this way, you have to do the calculation. This is 3 8s are 24. This is 4. This is getting cancelled. That is into 4. Implies r is equal to under root of 18 into 18 into 4. देखिए दो बार 18 आ गया, 18 बाहर आ गया, 4 का अंडर रूट 2, that is 36. इस तरह आप कैलकुलेशन में ध्यान रखेंगे, आपका टाइम वेस्ट भी नहीं होगा, गलतियां भी नहीं होंगी. That is r is 36. Now you are asked to find slant height. Slant height can be found out with the formula under root of h square plus r square. That is, what is height of the cylinder? Height is given as 24 cm square. 24 cm square plus 36 cm square. That is too big. If you do the calculation, you will get 24 can be 24 square. If you convert in the form of pairs, you will get 12 into 12 into 9. And plus, if you convert the 36 whole square in form of pairs, you will get 12 into 12 into 4. From these two terms, you can take 12 into 112 common, and under root 9 plus 4 is coming. That is 12 under root 13 centimeter. In this way, if you do the calculation step, your calculation will be easy and you will not get any confusion. This is question number 6. Now, question number 7 is. Question number 7 we have done. Now it's question number 8. Question number 8 I am reading. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing at the rate of 10 km per hour. How much area will irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? वाटर इन ए कैनाल, कैनाल में वाटर है जिसका लेंथ दे रखा है, विड्थ दे रखा है 6 मीटर, लेंथ डेप्थ इज 1.5 मीटर and water is flowing at the rate of 10 kilometer per hour. This water is using for irrigation. And how much area do you irrigate if the 8 centimeter standing water is required? देखिए, one is in centimeter, one is in meter, so you have to convert in same unit. First of all, write length of the river is, water is flowing at the rate of, length of the river is, before that the speed of the water, speed कितना दे रखा है, speed is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. That means the length of water flowing per hour, एक घंटे में कितना पानी बह रहा है, flowing per hour is equal to 10 kilometer. But kilometer, some length breadth of river is given meter, and irrigation length height is given centimeter, so that we have to convert in normal unit, that is 10 meter, 10,000 meter. That is the length of the water, that is equal to, this is equal to length of the water which is in the shape of cuboid. That is length of the water in the shape of cuboid, in the shape of cuboid in the river. Now breadth of the river, water is given, breadth of the river is given as 6 meter, and height of the river is given as depth 1.5 meter. Now 30 minutes में कितना पानी चाहिए, कितना एरिया में पानी सिंचाई के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं अगर 8 सेंटीमीटर ऊंचाई में पानी चाहिए तो। सबसे पहले हम वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फ्लोइंग पर आवर निकालेंगे, फिर मिनट्स में करेंगे, फिर 30 मिनट्स में करेंगे, उसके बाद इक्वेट करेंगे। देन वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फ्लोइंग पर मिनट पर आवर, फर्स्ट पहले आवर में करेंगे, L इंटू बी इंटू एच, दैट इज 10,000 इंटू 6 इंटू 1.5, लास्ट में कैंसिलेशन करेंगे। नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फ्लोइंग per 60 minutes, per 1 hour means 60 minutes, तो 1 मिनट के लिए क्या करेंगे, 60 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 10,000 जीरोस का नंबर ध्यान रखना, इंटू 6 इंटू 1.5 अपॉन 60, बट वी वांट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फ्लोइंग पर 30 मिनट्स, देयरफॉर नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर flowing per 30 minutes, you have to multiply by 30, that is 10,000 into 6 into 1.5 upon 60 into 30 meter cube. Cancel, this is 2 times cancel, this is 3, that is, if you cancel it, you will get as 45,000 meter cube. Now height of the, it is given that how much area, if 8 centimeter standing water is required, height of the water for irrigation is equal to 8 centimeter, that we have to change in meter because we have converted everything in meter, that is 8 by 100, 0.08 meter. Now volume of water used for irrigation, this is equation number 1, irrigation is equal to base area into height, that is the standard formula, that is base area into 0.08, equation 2. But equation 2 is equal to equation 1 आपको क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है, that implies base area into 0.08 meter is equal to 45,000 meter cube, implies base area is equal to 45,000 meter cube upon 0.08 meter. If you solve this, you will get as 562, let me check, 562,500 meter square, 562,500 meter square. It is, if you want to convert meter square into hectare, you have to divide it by 10,000. That is 562,500 upon 10,000 hectare. And if you solve this, you will get yes 56.25 hectare. This much is sufficient for today class. One question is remaining, last question. You just try to do by yourself. Otherwise, we will discuss this question in the next class. Today we have done a lot of questions based on the conversion of solids. Do all these questions in your notebook, including solid examples. See you again in next class. Thank you.